minute or two left. People have made stairs. You can put your feet in there. So nice. Huh? Gives you a feeling that other people think of the people who are coming behind them. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh my God. It will be a gorgeous view. Whew. Yes. Wow. Look at this. Woo! Okay. I'm gonna wait for my husband. Oh, I love the sound here. There he is. Woohoo!
Por causa
Mount St. Hilaire.
Himalaya,
Yeah.
Mount St. Hilaire, Quebec, Canada. Hold my wife and me.
Okay. It's really so beautiful.
Montreal is there. I survived.
Yeah.
We survived.
Okay. Let's continue.